Hey, what's going on YouTube? Khallid AKA Smoove Flipper. And in this video, I'm going to go over what I picked up today. So today was a pretty good day for me. I picked up 9 phones, and I'm going to show you guys the phones and how much I paid for them and all that. But before I do that, July 18th at 5:30 in my free eBay cell phone flipping group, I'm going to go live. And I'm gonna go live every Wednesday at 5:30 p.m. Mountain Time. So if you know what that is, if you want to look that up on Google, what that is for you, then check it out. I'm doing it every week. I'm gonna go over different parts of the business with the weekly hour session of live video of me talking and then Q&A at the end. So if you're not in that group, then I suggest you join the group first, get approved, answer the questions, and you will be getting that notification when I go live July 18th at 5:30 Mountain Time. So do that first, and let's get into the video. So again, picked up 9 phones. Yesterday was, it wasn't a day where I was busy. A lot of these were just from repeat customers. I got a lot of phones from just one person. Um, but I'm gonna go over them real quick. I'm gonna go over some other tips I can give you guys, and let's get into it. So I got some phones mailed in, and I went to go pick up some phones. So I'm gonna go over the phones that I got mailed in first. So I ended up getting 3 iPhone 6 Pluses mailed in to me. As you guys can see, bam. These are iPhone 6 Pluses, and they're 16 gigs. They're all Verizon unlocked. Ended up picking these for up for 150 a piece, and in my area, I can sell them for 220. So a $70 profit on each unit, which means that's $210 profit for these 3 phones. Um, and I'm gonna go over this really quick so you guys know when I get phones mailed in, it's usually from other cell phone shop owners. So these guys are on Facebook constantly trying to sell their devices. They have a true, wholesale connect where they're getting these phones at discounted prices, and they will post these up for other, cell phone shop owners and resellers to buy the phones from them. So I saw this deal, figured it was a great deal because again, I can make 70 bucks profit on each unit. And he only had three left. So I ended up picking up these 3 from him, and just want to let you guys know that it's very important that you guys connect with these different shop owners, even if they're in your area. If they're not in your area, add them on Facebook, chat with them on Facebook, do what you have to do to connect with them, because then you'll be getting deals like this. A lot of these deals that I'm getting, that I've got over the past couple months was from mail-in. So they just, they're mailing in these phones, and you don't have to worry about the huge hassle because they know what they're looking at. They know, to remove the iCloud from these devices before sending them off. So it makes it a lot easier for me. Next, I want to go over this device I picked up, which is also mailed in as well. This is a track phone iPhone 6s Plus, 32 gigabytes, brand new in the seal, right? Again, I picked this up from another shop owner, and he mailed this one in to me. So I got this phone yesterday, and I ended up listing it, and it sold the same day. So I got to ship this off today. I ended up paying 180 for it, and it sold for 325 on eBay. So I think after fees, that's about 90 bucks profit on this one. So again, this is also a cell phone shop owner who sent this one in. So we call those B2B, that's business to business. So you guys can do business with other businesses if you guys want. You don't have to be limited to just getting leads and everything like that. So there's tons of ways of getting phones, guys. I'm gonna say that for another video. But next phone we got is an iPhone 6s Plus for T-Mobile. Um, Pick this up for 120, comes with the case and everything. I'm gonna quick sell this one because I got a guy who will buy this for me for 180. So $60 profit on this one. It should be an easy sale. I just gotta meet up with him, and today, and he's gonna buy from me. So I don't usually buy these. T-Mobile is bad IMEI for me. I usually buy them as bad IMEI. But lately since I've met this guy, I've been messaging him with whatever lead I get, and they'll tell me what he'll pay. So eBay, you're not getting much from eBay after fees. So 180 is actually a really good deal. All he's gonna do is probably clean it or unlock it and sell it as an unlocked phone, which is not bad if but I don't have the time. I don't want to wait 5 days to get the unlock and everything. So quick $60 profit on this one. Next, we got big the big phones right here. So I picked these up from two different people. I picked up three from one person, and then one of the phones I picked up from another person. So we're gonna go into it. I got an iPhone 8 Plus product red version. Again, probably the best phone on the market. I love this phone. Brand new. I think this is the brand new one. Actually, I lied. This one is the used one. It doesn't have the plastic on it, but the phone's in good shape. The phone is everything. There's brand new accessories if you guys can see that. Ended up picking this phone up for 400 bucks. Verizon unlocked. I'm gonna sell this on Swapper for about 650. If I was to guess after fees, I'd say $200 profit. 180 being generous as far as profit on that one. So that was a good pickup. Um, he told me the phone was brand new, but I buy brand new phones, and the only brand new phones I say that's brand new are the ones that haven't been activated. That's been activated, and I let him know that. So had to readjust on the price. Next, we got these are all three phones that I picked up from the same person. Picked these up last night around 9 o'clock, so it was pretty late. Still met him at a Starbucks outside of the Starbucks because the Starbucks was closed, but it's in an area where there are a lot of traffic going through. So we were just outside, like on the chairs where you could sit. So it was all good. So then again, I picked up another iPhone 8 Plus product red. Now this one is brand new. Just doesn't have the seal on it, but you guys can see if I can show you guys that plastic right there. There's plastic on the phone still. This phone has never been used. Ended up picking this one up for 550. Uh, you know, 550 Verizon unlocked. I got a guy who will pay a little bit more than that. Let me see how much. I'm pretty sure when I checked it, it was 7. So $150 profit on that one. I don't have to go through eBay at all for these next couple phones. And then that previous 8 Plus, I don't have to go through eBay at all. This is all just a PayPal transaction where there's no fees because he's sending it friends and family. So keep that in mind, guys. Next, we got an iPhone X. This is also um, open box. We call it open box, but it's basically brand new. It hasn't been used. Picked this up for 750. Also Verizon unlocked. I could sell this one for about 900. So $150 profit. And then the same one, just different color. iPhone X. Show you guys again so you guys aren't questioning me. There you go, iPhone X. You guys can see that. 750 should sell it for 900. So I did pick up a lot of phones today, and um, just wanted to kind of give you guys that recap. I've been asking a lot of you guys what type of videos you guys enjoy, and it seems to be the pickups are the number one videos that everybody likes to see. So I'm gonna start doing these a lot more. Um, not really daily. I don't want it to get old, but at the same time, I'm gonna try to push them out, 2 or 3 times a week, so you guys can know what I'm picking up and what I'm paying for these certain devices. But also keep in mind, I am appraising these phones. Each phone I get, I appraise them through different sites, eBay or Swapper. So whatever I pay for these devices, if you're watching this video, don't try and mimic the same exact thing that I'm doing. I have a formula that I go by, and I have certain connections where I can pay some of these high prices and still make a profit. So keep that in mind if you're watching this video. you know, a year down the line, you know, make sure that you guys are still appraising these phones, because I'm still doing the same thing as well. So if you guys enjoy this type of video, if you guys like, you know, seeing my daily pickups, please drop a like, drop a comment on some other ideas you might have, you know, for me to make videos on. Um, Remember the announcement that I went over in the beginning of the video, July 18th, 5:30 p.m. Mountain Time. I'm going to go live in my group. I'm going to pretty much lay it out, different topics each week. So every Wednesday at 5:30 p.m. Mountain Time, I'm gonna go over these different topics for you guys, which will be a lot easier because then I'm gonna have a Q&A at the end where you guys can ask questions. So stay tuned for that, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.